Hello everyone, and welcome back. Okay, so we have a challenge lock here that was sent to me by J.P. McPinning, and it is pinned up by Daz Evers. And it's a MICO mortar cylinder. I've never heard of that before, MICO. But it is a Yale style keyway. And I was talking with Daz Evers through some emails, and he told me, I believe this is one of his first challenge locks, and he said it's not very hard, but it is a fun lock to pick. So we're going to see if we get it picked, and well, we'll see what Daz Evers put in there for us. Alright, I think we're focused there. Should be okay. Alright, we're going to go with a 40. I don't think a 50 is going to fit in there, I'm pretty sure. No. Alright, we're going to go with a 40. Okay, and Yale style, so let me see here. This is my... Alright, we have a Euro style hook here. Works pretty good in these Yale style keyways. And let's see what we got here, guys. Alright, nothing the first time around. I think I just got a little bit out of one. Okay, that was a little tough, but that was pin 4. I got him to set. And that was a little bit from pin 5. We got a pretty deep fall set now. Let's see what else we have here. Some counter here on 5. And let's bring this back. Okay, we still kept our fall set. And we're open on 3. Alright, yeah, definitely a fun lock to pick. Not too tough, but a fun lock. Alright, let's get this down here. And we'll grab a pinning tray. And we'll open this lock up and we'll see what Daz Evers put in there for us. Okay. Yeah, we don't have a key for this, so we do not want to lock it back up. Yeah, both Daz Evers and J.P. McPinning they both have awesome channels. So please, if you have not already checked out their channel, go do it. And I can't get that screw out of there. There it comes. Alright. Hold it that way, and we will see if we get in there. Get that shim in there. I think it's stopping on pin. Oh, there we go. Alright. We are in. Alright, here we go. Okay. There's all 5 pins. They're all in there. And they're all working. Alright, let's see what we have here. We'll dump them out and take a peek. Have a standard in 1, standard in 2. This one looks like it has a little reduced diameter on the top. Yes, we do. We have a T-pin in 3. double wide serration there in 4, and a spool in 5. And it looks like he has threading in all the chambers. Yep. Okay, let's see what he has up here. If I can find my... There we go. There's my tweezers. Okay, pin 1 is... Oh, a pin and pin. Okay. I believe that came out just like this. Yes. Alright, we'll have a look at that in a minute. Copper spring. Pin 2. Try to be a little more careful, but he still popped out. We have a T-pin in 2. Copper spring. Ooh, that one popped out so hard. That has to be an extremely strong spring. Wow. Alright, let's see what we got there. Yes, we have a steel spring. That has to be a strong spring. That thing just popped up like extremely hard. Alright, let's see what we have here in 5. Looks like we have a commercial spool. Another copper spring. Last but not least, number 4 is another... I thought it was a T-pin, but it's not. It is a... I believe it came out this way. It's kind of like reduced diameter with a serration in it. And another steel spring. Alright, let's take a look in here and see if he did anything in here. Nope. Nope, nothing done to the Bible. Alright, well, let's have a look at his pins. Alright. So, number 1 and 2 is just a standard. 1 and 2, standard. 3, we have this T-pin type. Looks like it has a little serration there in the middle too. 4 is double wide serration. And 5 is a spool. And then up top here we have this awesome pin and pin. If I get that in there. That went in there, of course, like that. And it was sticking out of there, just like that. Alright. Number 2, we have a T-pin. Looks like maybe a little bit of serration there in it too. 3 is a standard with an extremely strong spring. 4 is got a serration on the top and a little bit of reduced diameter there on the bottom. Get that out of my thing. And we have a commercial spool here in 5. Then we have a brass or copper, still confused between my brass and copper. Then we have this extremely strong spring here in 3. Another steel spring in 4, and another brass spring in 5. But yeah, definitely a fun lock to pick. JP, thank you very much for sending this lock my way. Daz Evers, thank you, my friend, for pinning it up and sending it out to the community. And yeah, guys, well, if you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button. If you have any questions or comments, comment below. And yeah, everyone, please be safe and stay legal. Thanks, guys. Bye. Okay, guys, real quick, I just wanted to let Daz Evers know that I will be sending his challenge lock out now with a key. I do have it working very smooth. I cut a key for it, so I'll be sending this one out with a key now instead of having no key. So yeah, I just wanted to let Daz Evers know that. So yeah. Alright guys, well thank you for watching. Take care and Bye now.